Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Marimbi Putri Ramadhani. I'm from 4C. My student ID is 22232400107, English Education Department, Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. So, here I will present my curriculum's analysis and lesson model design for English learning phase D, specifically in junior high school of Merdeka curriculums. This presentation includes the syllabus, learning objective, lesson module, learning media, and assessment. Next, this slide shows the learning outcomes of phase D. At the end of phase D, students are expected to use English for communication in both formal and informal situations. They should be able to understand and produce spoken, written, and visual text. And then they are also expected to express their ideas, opinion, and feelings while developing speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. And then the slides present the curriculum structure, specifically in phase D, grade 7, and junior high school. English is taught for approximately 2 lesson hours per week. Each semester consists around 16 to 18 effective weeks. The main learning topic include introducing myself and then introducing others, describing hobbies, describing people, describing activities, and then these topics are closely related to student daily life. And then these are the learning objectives. Students are expected to identify main ideas in simple spoken text and respond appropriately in daily conversation. They should also be able to describe people, hobbies, and daily activities, and then write short descriptive texts and present their ideas orally using simple English sentences. And then this slide shows the learning objective sequence or ATP. The learning process starts with introducing myself, followed by greetings and introducing others. Next, students learn how to describe hobbies, people, and daily activities. And then the sequence is designed from simple topics to complex communication tasks. This is the lesson model that I designed. The topic is introducing myself and introducing others. For grade 7 student and junior high school, the learning model used is genre-based approach. The main objective are introduce themselves in English and other people using simple English expressions and everyday communications. And then this is teaching approach, genre-based approach or GBA. In this approach, students learn step by step through 3 stages. First, modeling of the text, where the teacher provides an example, and then the second one is joint instruction of the text or GCOT, where the teacher and student work together. And then the third one is independent construction of the text or ICOT, where students perform the task independently. I choose this because it provides scaffolding, support, gradual learning, and then encourages students to communicate in real life situations. And the slides show the learning activities that in the activity, teacher grades the student and then check attendance, ask brainstorming question, and then explain the learning objective. Next main activity, students go through the 3 stages of GBA. During MOT, the teacher present a self-introduction text, and then during GCOT, the teacher and student work together, complete information and construct the text. And then during the ICOT, students practice introducing themselves and introducing others independently. Finally, in the post activity, the teacher and student reflect on the lesson, summarize the material, and receive feedback, and the last is close the class. So, the main resource in the FSD are English textbook, and then also student also use worksheet or LKPD to practice the material. PowerPoint slide, picture, and flashcard are used to support student understanding and make learning more engaging. In addition, the teacher used whiteboard and marker during classroom activities, while dictionaries or translation applications help students understand unfamiliar vocabulary. And then for the assessment, this slide explains the assessment. The first is diagnostic assessment. It's used to identify student prior knowledge, and for formative assessment is conducted during the learning process through role plays, worksheets, and speaking practice. And for the last is the summative assessment is a performance task where students introduce themselves and another person orally. The assessment focuses on vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. And then the last is conclusion. The Merdeka curriculums emphasize communicative competence and student-centered learning. Through this lesson module, students can practice English in meaningful and real-life situations, and then the use of genre-based approach supported by appropriate learning media and assessments help students develop their communication skill effectively. So that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.